You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that many get wrong. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning in Spanish. It is said as Juanita, Juanita, stress on that ni syllable, meaning little Jane. I think it is what it means, right? Let me know in the comments. Juanita. You could replace the J with an H if you cannot pronounce it, and say Juanita, Juanita, or in Spanish again, Juanita. And now you know. More videos for you here if you want to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.